Whoa, guys, look at this. We got our hands on one of the very first Snapdragon X Elite laptop. Today's video I'm super duper excited because as I've shown you just now, we have something totally new in the home, guys. A brand new laptop that is actually powered by Snapdragon X Elite chipset, and this is also one of the very first Copilot plus PC that offers next gen AI capabilities. Now there's a lot of hype around these Snapdragon laptops in the market, and people are like very curious to know about the real world performance, how is the chipset efficiency, and also about the battery life as well. And today we'll be talking about all of that, guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end and do not skip any part. The model we have in the home today is Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 7X, and as I've told you, powered by Snapdragon X Elite 12 core chipset, and also comes with their all new Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, guys, that offers up to like 45 tops of AI performance, and also has like very interesting features like on board you're getting a 3K OLED touch display and plenty of other features. So without wasting any more time, we'll get started. And before that, I forgot to mention this video was made in collab with Lenovo and Snapdragon, so a big thank you to them. Plus we'll also be talking about all the Copilot plus features as well, guys, because Copilot plus PCs, as I've told you, offer like next gen AI capabilities. You're getting features like live captions, co-creators, and not to miss out brand new Windows Studio effects. So I'll give you a brief on that as well. And let's quickly get started with the unboxing first. So our brand new Yoga Slim 7X laptop came in this sort of packaging, very simple packaging. There's nothing mentioned on the front, and let me tell you, this year Lenovo is actually focusing on a complete plastic free packaging, a good initiative, I would say. Going to the side here, you can check out all the specs and configuration of the model we have in the home today. We'll anyhow talk about the hardware details in a moment, right? First, let's get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, there you go, boys. Our brand new Yoga Slim 7X laptop comes in this beautiful cosmic blue color. Keeping that aside, you also get an accessory box which includes a 65-watt slim power adapter for charging. Along with that, you're also getting a mains cord and some paperwork. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. And there you go, boys. Our very first hands-on on Lenovo's all new Slim 7X powered by Snapdragon X Elite chipset. Now, initial impressions, I have to say, look at the thickness of this laptop, guys. You're getting a super compact and ultra thin form factor. So great for creators and these sort of on-the-go applications, I would say. You can easily carry it anywhere. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the laptop and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Lenovo's Yoga Slim 7X has a sleek and beautiful looking design, guys. As I've told you, you're getting this beautiful cosmic blue color, and entire body is made of metal. You're getting an all metal chassis, and not to forget, despite the looks, it is actually quite ruggedly built, guys. The body is also military standard 810H certified, so you don't need to worry about the durability part. There is nothing on the top lid. You just have a clean Lenovo logo at the center, and not to miss out, I really like this rounded corners as well, which Lenovo is calling it as comfort edge design. Let me also give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this laptop. Starting off from the left side, here you're getting two USB Type-C ports, and let me tell you, all the USB ports on this laptop are actually USB 4 standard and offer like DP compatibility. PD 3.1 charging support is also there. Going to the right side, here you're getting a webcam privacy shutter, a power button, followed by one more USB Type-C port. Unfortunately, we are not getting any USB Type-A ports. Considering the whole design language and the slim form factor, you're only getting like all USB-C interface. You'll definitely have to go for like an external hub and solution to expand the connectivity ports over here. I really wish they could have at least included like a micro SD card reader. Anyways, here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. Very clean design, as I've told you, all metal body. You're getting some cutouts on the bottom, basically features your cooling fan system, and you do have rubber foot pads on all the corners. And you see these tiny grills on the left and right. These are actually your speakers. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the hardware configuration, right? So the Yoga Slim 7X literally features like 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, that too clocked at 8448 MHz in a dual channel configuration. And on board, the model we have comes with 1 TB PCI Gen 4 M.2 SSD. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. Let me also quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors look like. And tada! Here's how the new Yoga Slim 7X looks like. And I have to be honest, guys, I really love this cosmic blue color they went with on the entire body, guys. Well matches with the black accents here and there on the display panel. Starting off from the upper half section, you're getting a 14.5 inches has 3K resolution, 90Hz pure sight OLED display, and mind you, it also supports like 100% DCI-P3, Dolby Vision HDR, and yes, it is a touch panel. Overall bezels are also quite slim, not just on the sides but on the bottom and top as well. Going to the top side, here you're getting a full HD 1080p webcam, that too with an IR sensor, so you can even use it for Windows Hello Smart Login. There's nothing on the bottom, and that is pretty much it about the upper half section. Going to the lower half section, let's have a closer look at the keyboard and talk about that. You're getting a white LED backlit premium quality keyboard, and I've been using this laptop for quite some time, right? Let me tell you, it was offering a very comfortable experience, guys. First of all, look at the keycap design over here. Just like Lenovo's premium lineup, here also you're getting a slightly dished out keycaps, and that give you a much more comfortable experience while you're typing. And the key travel was also like pretty good, I would say, around 1.5 mm, and overall I had like a really good experience using the keyboard over here. Not to miss out, you're also getting white LED backlighting that is also adjustable in two different steps, or you can even set it to like auto ambient mode. Coming down to the touchpad, you're getting a premium quality glass covered touchpad, easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere, and quality of the integrated buttons are also nice. So moving on, let's also talk about the display and audio quality. And first of all, let me tell you, the kind of display that Lenovo is offering on their Yoga Slim 7X, right? Absolutely beautiful is what I can call it, guys. I mean, literally, you're getting a pure sight 3K resolution, 90Hz OLED display, that too with like delta E value less than 1, and supports like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range. Not to miss out, Dolby Vision HDR support as well. I have used a variety of laptops in the last couple of weeks during this festive season, and I think, guys, this laptop literally features one of the finest displays I have seen on a premium thin and light. Talking about the detail, there's good amount of detail. 3K resolution at 14.5 inches offers like excellent detail no matter what sort of content you're watching. Contrast ratio was also nice. Obviously, it's an OLED panel. You'll get like near to infinite contrast ratio and true black deep levels, guys. There's nothing less you can expect over here. Colors are also absolutely beautiful, especially the reds, blues and greens, right? Vibrant looking colors. And on top of that, pretty accurate because the delta I mentioned over here is less than 1, right? So out of the box only panel is like very well calibrated. Especially if you're like a creator, you're doing a bit of video editing or color grading sort of stuff, right? You will be like very happy and satisfied with the panel that you're getting on this model. And talking about the sound, the laptop literally features quad speakers on board. 2 of them are front firing, placed just beside the keyboard, and remaining 2 are placed on the bottom profile, guys, to the left and right sides. Not to miss out, they're also Dolby Atmos certified, and overall audio quality was also pretty nice, guys. It was producing great vocal clarity. All the dialogues were like crisp and clear, easily understandable. Treble performance was also good, and I had like a really good experience watching lots of content, not just movies or stuff, even YouTube music videos as well. I know you people are very excited to check out the performance and benchmarks on this brand new laptop, right? But before we go there, first of all, let me exactly tell you what is new on the Snapdragon laptop. And let me tell you, these laptops are totally different than your regular laptops in the market, guys. So the new Snapdragon X Elite chipsets are actually based on a 4nm ARM based architecture rather than your most commonly used x86 platform. So you can actually call them as Windows on ARM devices or Windows on ARM PCs. But because of this major architectural shift, you might actually question about the compatibility, right? So previously also we had a couple of ARM based devices, but at that time the compatibility with these softwares and applications was not that good, and that is the reason they were not a big success in the market. But now in 2024, Microsoft has stepped in and put a lot of effort into their Windows operating system to ensure maximum compatibility with these chips. So they're actually using a special emulator called as Prism Translation Layer to run your non-native x86 apps, and that is how you'll be able to run all your applications on Snapdragon platform as well. First of all, let me tell you, these Snapdragon X Elite CPUs are available in like 3 to 4 different CPU variants. Today in the home, the laptop we have is powered by Snapdragon X Elite X1E 78100, and this is a 12 core CPU with a max clock frequency of 3.4 GHz. Unfortunately, this particular variant doesn't support dual core boost feature, but you do have this feature in a couple of other Snapdragon X Elite CPUs. On board, you're also getting integrated GPU Qualcomm Adreno that can offer up to 4.6 T-flops. And have I told you that this chipset features the most powerful NPU right now in the market, which is Qualcomm's Hexagon NPU that can offer up to 45 TOPS of AI performance. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because it's a brand new platform, new architecture, how the apps are gonna run, what sort of performance we'll get, and to be honest, right, I was actually quite impressed with the overall performance on this laptop. Day-to-day tasks, work-related applications, attended a couple of online meetings, been running like half a dozen Chrome tabs in the background. Also did a bit of content creation as well, like video editing, color grading on DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. And overall, I had like a really good performance, guys. Muska performance is what I can say. And talking about the compatibility, most of the applications which I tested were running pretty well, not an issue at all. Couple of them were not working, which was specially designed on like x86 architecture, guys. But again, these are very specific and niche category of applications. If you're actually asking about day-to-day sort of applications which 80 to 90% of the people spend on their Windows laptops or PC, right? All of them were working well. For example, take into consideration Microsoft suite of applications, maybe like Microsoft 365, PowerPoint, Outlook, Word, Excel, OneDrive. All of these were working well. And not only that, even Google Chrome, Spotify, I've tested Zoom also for meetings, Adobe suite of applications, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and not to miss out DaVinci Resolve as well. All of these applications were running natively on the ARM architecture and offering like great performance with a smooth experience, guys. So that is something you don't need to worry about. Keeping that aside, let me also talk about the gaming. Now, first of all, this is not a gaming oriented laptop, but I'm pretty sure you people are curious about the gaming performance as well, right? Again, I do have to mention, because it is based on an ARM platform, you might not get like wide game compatibility. So you'll have to check which games are compatible over here with this system. I've played a couple of games, GTA 5, Spider-Man, Miles Morales, all of these games are running very well. I mean, I'll definitely show you a demo in a moment. But on the contrary, a couple of other games like Red Dead Redemption, Forza, these were actually not compatible, so I couldn't run these applications on the system. Anyways, if you ask about the integrated GPU's performance, well, it is actually capable of playing games at 1080p resolution. I mean, right now we are playing GTA 5 at normal graphics 1080p resolution, and we were still getting around like 55 to 60 solid FPS, guys. And look at the gameplay as well, very smooth, and I didn't face any sort of hiccups during my usage. Not just GTA 5, I've also played Spider-Man as well, and this game also we were playing at 1080p resolution, and AMD's FSR upscaling technology was turned on, graphics was set to like low preset, and here also we were getting like decently good results. I mean, roughly you can expect around like 65 to 70 FPS on an average. Keeping the performance part aside, remember at the beginning I've told you that the new Yoga Slim 7X is actually a Copilot plus PC. Copilot plus PCs are like a new range of Windows PCs introduced recently in the market that are specifically designed for AI related workloads and applications. Now, for a device to be Copilot plus enabled, you'll obviously need like a really powerful NPU on board, and that is where Qualcomm Hexagon NPU comes into play, which is probably the most powerful NPU right now available on laptops in the market. And especially if you're like a student, or maybe you're from AI background in your work, right? And you run a lot of AI models, generative AI related applications, or maybe LLMs on your device, that NPU can definitely come in handy for you people. Apart from that, Windows has also introduced a lot of new AI features specifically for the Copilot plus PCs, like for example, live captions, co-creator option, and not to miss out, studio effects as well. Say for example, if you want to translate live video or maybe any sort of audio for English subtitles, right, you can actually do that using this live captions option. All you need to do is click Control plus Windows plus L, and that's it. It'll enable live captions, and now you can literally translate any sort of live video, either it be like online, offline, on any storage drive, or even like a pre-recorded audio as well on any app and platform, into real-time English subtitles on your screen. This can even be done even when you're offline, no need of internet connection. So all of this is done using that Qualcomm integrated NPU on board, that too specifically available on Copilot plus PCs. Moving on to co-creator, this is something I was really looking forward to talk about, especially if you're like a creator or maybe like an artist, you draw a lot of stuff on your PC, right? For you people, this could be greatly beneficial. Basically, it gives like AI superpowers to your Paint application. All you need to do is open your Paint tab, and here specifically on Copilot plus PCs, you'll find this new feature called as co-creator. Simply click on that and a new section will open. Now you can actually give some inputs or maybe like keywords regarding what do you want to draw. For example, say suppose I want to draw a turtle swimming in space. I just need to type that over here and select a creative style, maybe like anime filter or oil painting filter. Just simply draw like a rough outlook of whatever you're thinking, and that's it. Generative AI will automatically take care of it for you and give you like a final result that will look like very realistic, guys. I mean, look at this. That is very cool, right? Not just these, I've also tried out the new and enhanced Windows Studio effects available on the Copilot Plus PCs. Quite easily accessible directly from the quick settings page over here. These are greatly useful for like school students or even for like office people who attend a lot of meetings and briefing calls and stuff like that. You can apply variety of effects like background blur, portrait blur is also there. A new portrait light option is also added, which automatically adjusts the image and also corrects the face portion a bit to give you better looking results at the end. And you're also getting some new creative filters added like animated filter, watercolor, illustrated mode and stuff like that. Last but not the least, you're also getting eye contact teleprompter feature. So basically it helps you maintain your eye contact even while reading text on the bottom of your screen. So these were a couple of brand new AI related features introduced on the Copilot Plus PCs, and if you people also get access to these devices, right, do try them out and share your thoughts in the comment section down below. One more thing I forgot to mention is the laptop also comes with something known as Lenovo AI Core. So this is basically like an adaptive power management system that is all done using AI. Lenovo's AI Core is specifically designed to intelligently manage your performance and power efficiency. No matter what sort of applications or workloads you're doing, maybe you're doing some sort of creative applications where you're rendering some videos or 3D models, right? The AI Core will auto adjust the processing power based on your needs and requirements, hence extending battery life at the same time. All is done using like an innovative AI chip which is present on board. So benefit is your laptop will utilize only the required amount of power, hence making it much more efficient and offers like a tailored performance depending on your needs and scenario. Also at the same time offers smart cooling management as well. So basically you can expect much more quieter and more comfortable working environment. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also talk about the battery life. On board the laptop comes with a 70 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, and battery life was quite impressive, I would say, guys. I mean, obviously we're getting Snapdragon X Elite chipset, right, which is pretty power efficient on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 45 to 50%, doing day-to-day related applications, watching a bit of YouTube videos and also like attending briefing calls or meetings, stuff like that. I was easily getting around like 14 to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge. And not to miss out, you're also getting Rapid Charge Express, which can offer you up to like 3 hours of battery life with only 15 minutes of charge. Pretty handy, right? So that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up our video on Lenovo's all new Yoga Slim 7X Snapdragon X Elite laptop. It's a good laptop, guys. I mean, especially if you're like a creator or maybe like a business person, you're looking for like a compact on the go device that can offer good performance and excellent battery life, right? You can definitely have a look at this thing. And not to miss out that beautiful 3K resolution 90Hz OLED display, guys. You can visit Lenovo.com website to check out their entire range of PCs from Ideapad, Yoga, Lock series to Legion gaming series as well. And apart from that, Lenovo also offers their customize your PC option exclusively on Lenovo.com website, where you can completely configure the device as per your specs and requirement and get your device delivered within 4 days of purchase in select locations. More details in the description box below. The pricing for this laptop starts around 1.5 lakh rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it and got a lot of information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you all in my next one.